Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily enable bass boost on this LG XBOOM 360 speaker. So this is the LG XBOOM application, and in this application we have to tap equalizer here. And as you can see, this is the preset which is called sound boost, and it boosts both highs and mids, so it gives you bass and trebles more than the standard, but you can enter the custom one, and to enable bass boost you just have to boost the low frequencies and stay on the zeros on the high frequencies, or just lower some highs. Up to you. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.